Kathmandu, the city of hope, opportunity, bustling and hustling constantly among the crowd and the settlements. I know lately we've been going through a lot. With the drastic change we've been encountering where the busy street, traffic jams, human movements, everything seems to be on rest. So here is the few shots from before and after the lockdown. Despite everything, the existing lockdown has been showing us the nature's real beauty. Now we are able to witness clear view of mountain through our terrace, which had been hidden due to pollution. So here I present you some glimpse of the present scenario. I hope you like it. With the change in the air and surroundings, I hope everyone is staying home, doing things, having a quality time with the family. We will get through this together soon. Till then, stay home, stay safe.